G'day guys, Sean here from Outback Equipment. Today we're going to be checking out the EVC throttle controller from Ultimate 9, previously iDrive. So here we've got the EVC throttle controller from Ultimate 9. In the box you get the throttle controller itself, a vehicle-specific loom which plugs into your electronic throttle, easy plug-and-play installation, a couple of small zip ties to keep your cabling nice and neat, and a quick start guide to get you going. Now, even though this guy is really small, measuring at only 4 centimeters by 2 centimeters and a few millimeters thick, it really does pack a punch. It's 3M back, so you can mount it virtually anywhere in your vehicle. Installing the throttle controller in any vehicle is super easy. First step is to just use an alcohol wipe to wipe down the area that you're going to mount it to and peel off the 3M backing. It works by intercepting your electronic throttle. Simply unplug your throttle cable and plug it into the provided harness. Then plug the harness into your throttle pedal. Then you're good to go. So once you're all plugged in, that's it. Every time you start your vehicle, your throttle controller will turn on, set to the same setting it was on last time the vehicle was turned off. I personally drive around in Ultimate 1 day to day around town because I find it to be a good balance between fuel economy, responsiveness, while also taking out a lot of the throttle lag that modern common rail diesel engines experience. There are 3 modes: economy, ultimate, and auto. We recommend driving around in all 3 of the modes to get a sense for how they respond to your specific vehicle. The first mode is ultimate. This is essentially performance mode where you can choose to increase your responsiveness of your throttle from 0 to 9. The lower end of ultimate mode is great for reducing the amount of throttle lag that come out with most modern diesel engines. On its other extreme, great for towing or getting yourself out of a muddy bog hole. The next mode is economy. This mode dampens your throttle response and is great for conserving fuel. I personally use economy mode when I'm in stop-start traffic to save on fuel, but also when I'm on the beach or driving a bumpy track, it smoothens the ride. The third mode is automatic. This automatically selects the correct throttle map based on your driving style. You can also turn the device completely off. This is great when you're lending your car to someone else, or if Nan jumps in the car to go down to the shops, chances are she's not going to have a heart attack if she puts her foot down on the pedal. The EVC throttle controller from Ultimate 9 is a fantastic addition to any modern four-wheel drive. You can find a full range that suits most makes and models online at outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.